Yeah. Hello all, this is Nikum and welcome to Doubt Session for Mentorship Program for the Airport Authority of India Recruitment 2020. So basically after the last video, lots of calls were there that how to register, what is the last date and all these things. Okay, actually the last video you didn't see, full video you didn't see, that's why you got the very much doubt. Okay, and obviously many students call, I can't receive at a time, so that's why I thought that let's make one video in that all the doubts which you have regarding the mentorship program, regarding the AI ATC AO also, because for form also there are your doubts, right? So everything we will cover now in this video, and just watch this video completely. Okay, and also join our Telegram group where you will get all the updates. So link is in the description, and let's start the video now. So see, so your first doubt basically is 2021 students eligible or not. So no, you can't apply to the AI ATC recruitment 2020, not for AO also. Okay. So for junior executive, you guys can't apply, but don't lose the opportunity. Just stay connected with the channel because there were lots of opportunity waiting for you. Okay. So don't lose the hope. Second, what about diploma and BE BTech candidates? So see guys, does not matter that you did your diploma or 12th. Okay, their basic one criteria is that you should have physics and mathematics. You should have physics and mathematics in your BE BTech. Okay, so for some universities consider these two subjects after diploma, because diploma candidate directly get the second year. Okay, they did skip the first year because of diploma, and in first year basically physics and maths were there, but for some universities physics and mathematics was there. Okay, so they can apply, this diploma student can apply, but those who didn't study physics and mathematics, obviously mathematics will be there because M3 M4 will be there, but those who didn't study the physics in the BE BTech diploma, it is not considerable. So that's why you guys can't apply to this position. Okay, so just remember now, if you study BE maths and physics in BE BTech, simply you can apply. Okay, but here is also one trick that you can't apply for ATC because this criteria is basically for ATC, but you can apply to AO, junior executive airport operation, but for AO you should have license, four-wheeler license. Okay, that is also permanent, so then your chance to apply to the AI recruitment is there. Okay, with AO only, for ATC you can't apply, and other candidates who study physics mathematics, they can apply to both. Okay, also license is necessary. Okay, so whether it is live classes or not, so no, there is no live classes. Basically what faculties will do, or I will do, I will upload the videos. Okay, in the application you can view as per your time, and there is a chat section. You will see when you install the app, there is a chat section. When you click on the chat section, you can see our name, my name, our faculty's name. Okay, so whatever doubt you have regarding the class, then you can ask there anytime. Okay, so there is no restriction to you, there is no restriction on faculty. Okay, you can ask the doubt anytime, anywhere. Okay, just, and you can also watch the video anytime, there is no restriction, right? Because there are lots of candidates who are working also, that's why we didn't want this live class. And in live class basically there is a much more time pass happening, right? Because student asks the doubt, then the faculty will just read that, so lots of time taking process. It's better to just watch the video, note down the doubt, and in chat section just put there. Okay, so same WhatsApp like feature we have in our app. Yeah, our app is very good. Okay, just install it, you will know, get to know what is the registration last date for the mentorship program. Basically registration started today. Okay, so today you can start the registration. I will show how to go and from where to go to our website. Then the last date is your till 25 you are applying. Okay, now the problem is that in the application only 1,000 students we can accommodate for one batch. Okay, that's why, and obviously 350 vacancies are only there. Okay, if I consider 355 into 3, because calling ratio if I consider, then 900 vacancies. So yes, till 1,000 student we will take, and then obviously we have to close. Okay, so that's why it is very important. So registration date will be last date, there is no last date, but there is a condition for the maximum number of candidates, that is 1,000 only. Okay, till 1,000 we can accommodate, so that's why you should apply as early as possible today. Okay, registration started. Then about the class language, so basically as I told in last video also, the class language will be purely English, like I am talking with you like right now. Notes, handwritten notes will be in English, everything will be in English. Okay, there is no Hindi for now. Then demo class, yes, of course, demo class will be there. So if you are doubt, or if you have any if you are thinking that yes, after watching demo class we will purchase, then demo class will be there on YouTube also today 7:30, and also it will I will upload them on the application so you can view. Okay, you get the experience to view the demo class on the application, because obviously your classes are on the application only. There is no classes on the web because of security reasons of content, right? So that's why you will watch your classes on application. So watch the demo classes today also on 7:30. Okay, and then the same classes you can watch freely. There is no need to pay. Okay, demo classes are there, so you can watch it on application also, so to get the experience. Okay, so get used to it. Okay, so okay, so this is your doubts. I hope that now everything will get clear. Okay, if further you have any doubt, then download our application, and in the chat section just click on my name and just ask me anything. Okay, so now from where to register? So let's go to apnagovernmentjob.org. You can see here, see this website. Okay, so just type this website into URL www.apnagovernmentjob.org. Then after that you will get the screen like this. Okay, so basically this is our website. So you will get here, then either you can click on this banner of mentorship program for AI recruitment 2020. You can see the features. Okay, or just you can go to our mentorship program page from here also. So I will click on Airport Authority of India. Okay, or directly I can click on this banner also. There is no issue. So wait for loading. It will load. Okay, so this is basically your page for registration. Now as you can see here, okay, here you will get the details that the program fees and all the details are there. Also here you can see our telegram channel group, okay, for all the students. And then here you will see our application. So if you click on this link, okay, basically these are links you can see here, na, is it blue? So if you click on these links, then our application will be there. See, so you will get to redirected to Google Play, and then this is our application. Okay, so just install this application, then it's easy to handle this application. Also there are games to play, okay, which will improve your focus and concentration, and their games are free. There is no charge on them, obviously. Okay, so this is the thing. Then all the things are here, then you can make the purchase, and all the details you can see here. Okay, about the mock test and all this thing. Test series also, in the test series. Okay, currently it is not updated. Obviously it will start in February, that's why. Okay, so it will be shortly updated. Then click on buy now button. Okay, and then you can make the buy package. Just click on buy package, and then you can make the payment. After making the payment, download the application, just go there and wait. Okay, because on 25th we will start our classes, so till then just download the application and wait for that. You will get the access automatically, right? So this is the procedure to register for mentorship program for Airport Authority of India recruitment 2020. I hope that all the doubts of students who are preparing full time, who are preparing with job, is now get clear. Okay, so this opportunity for AI is very serious and very good opportunity, and we have to make it. Okay, so in 2021, if you want to secure a good government job, a mini ratna, then obviously this is a chance. Okay, so get ready for it, and yes, we will prepare very hard for this. So just register to the program and just wait for the next instruction, and all the instruction now I will give on the app. Okay, because there is same, it is the same like WhatsApp structure. And girls, as for girls also, it is the safest I can say place, because your number didn't get disclosed there, right? So that's why it is very important. So girls, you can also use that instead of WhatsApp also. Okay, so if you have any query other than this, then comment down below, and yes, definitely I will make address it. Okay, all the best.